Maana nilikuwa na story nyingine ya kusaba hapa.
Normal. Next hivyo hivyo.
Good afternoon.
As from vitamin A, the last semester we were performing well at 94%. Our exclusive breastfeeding at 82% coverage for the total population, children below 6 months who are doing exclusive breastfeeding. For our standing, as Waziri has said, we are at 14%, a reduction from at around 25.3%.
We have launched a Malezi Bora Week together with our healthcare workers, and they are going to go around the sub-county to ensure that we reduce the effects of malnutrition that has been occasioned by one, the effect of drought, two, of course, lack of knowledge and education on matters nutrition.
Unakuta mtoto anapewa meal moja ama lishe moja all through, na tumeona imeaffect sana watoto wetu.
To speak about especially the indigenous foods whereby people have run away from them, but those are the ones which are very rich in most of the minerals and vitamins which are required for the growth of the children, and especially when they are between the ages of 0 to 1,000 days.
In matters nutrition, that we need to involve our fathers, because they are also part of caregivers. So we want to call out to fathers to be present to ensure that our children get the right nutrition.